Hi friends, welcome back to Movie Shoovies, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the most detailed reviews without any perception. Serious Men that just got released on Netflix and is making waves already. It is an unusual story of a father played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui who while growing up experienced an underprivileged status because of the caste system in India that everybody knows about, and soon realizes that the world is in the hand of few men who sits on a high pedestal with some differentiation. So hence, he hatches a master plan to earn respect in the society by conning the entire world in believing that his son is a genius mastermind with a very high IQ. It is shown that his son is believed to be genius by the world and even gets admission in a very good school and further gets a lot of media attention as well. But the twist in the story is that the boy is actually faking the intelligence with the help of his father, and nobody even notices that, even his own mother. That's uncanny but can be excused as a work of fiction. The movie actually raises three important issues. First, the societal issues, that is, inequality, caste system, politics, poor education system. Secondly, it is not good for children to bear the burden of their parents' ambition as they tend to kill their innocent childhood. Thirdly, shortcuts, over ambition in life, even for a good cause, can destroy lives around us. So, in a nutshell, Serious Men is all about a father trying to give his son a great life which he couldn't lead, but by taking a lot of shortcuts. The good thing is that the movie is giving a lot of hard messages that are delivered in a very, very humorous manner by director Sudhir Mishra, who's known for delivering great cinema. And in this one also, he's done a great job in direction as well as in screenplay. The story is different with good dialogues. The characters interact in a very, very natural way, and its commentary on the society doesn't come across as very, very preachy. The performances are great, specifically by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and actually surprised by a great act done by the child artist Akshat Das. Some scenes between the father and the son will touch your heart immensely and it will bring tears to your eyes. This is Nawazuddin Siddiqui's award-winning performance, and his body language, dialogue delivery are able to bring out the pain, agony, suffering, frustration, even happiness, and I would say above all, even the love for his son is very, very evident. The film does criticizes a lot of societal issues, but in a funny manner. So overall, guys, it's a good movie to watch. A few things here and there could have been done better. For example, the ending, how the story unfolded, was more or less predictable. Secondly, I would say the editing could have been more sharper because the movie is slightly stretched. So cutting out 15-20 minutes from the overall movie could have made it more sharper. Movie has a lot of plus points. The dramatic and the emotional climax will make your heart skip a beat, where Nawazuddin Siddiqui is trying to explain his actions and also the course correction. I was actually overwhelmed with this scene. Nowadays, I hardly see a movie which has a proper closure or an ending, but this one has a very clear closure and an ending and gives a very right path to the viewers without being preachy. So see you guys with another deep review. Take care and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.